Hi, my name is Maria Kutyuk. I'm from Ukraine. The topic of my project is Peculiarities of Solidago Canadensis distribution in phytocenoses of Lutsk. At the beginning of the 21st century, a global report of the world's ecosystem was published. The document contains sad statistics. 60% of our planet's natural ecosystems are already degraded, and invasive species are recognized as one of the 5 main factors that we have preserved only 40% of natural ecosystems of the planet. Invasive species transform entire ecosystems and make them poor to biodiversity, displacing aboriginal species. Some of them even change the environment with their vital activity. Urbanized areas are the places with the highest concentration of invasive species. In the city of Lutsk, one of the most common invasive species is Canadian goldenrod or Solidago canadensis. The aim of my work is to feature distribution of Solidago canadensis in phytocenoses. The result of the research can be recommended for measures to control the spread of Solidago canadensis and can be used as algorithm for study of other invasive species, as well as to use the obtained data for educational activities. The research was conducted during the vegetation period of 2020. 3 districts of city with different degree of overgrowth of Solidago canadensis were selected for the research. In each study area, the species composition was studied during road studies. I conducted ecological analysis of the flora in reaction to the lighting and in relation to the water regime of the soil, and I also conducted analysis of biomorphological structure and floristic similarity. As a result, I found out that Solidago canadensis is actively introduced into natural and semi-natural phytocenoses of Lutsk, displacing aboriginal plant species. With increase of projective cover of this invasive species in the phytocenoses of the city, the number of accompanying plant species decreased, the shape of ruderal plants increases, and typical mud of plants disappear from the groups.